Hello learners, in the last video we will learn how to create a new repository on GitHub account as well as how to clone your newly created GitHub repository on your local system with this command. In this video we will learn how to create a new Android Studio project and put this project into our GitHub repository, and after that we will save all the code of our Android project and push that code onto GitHub. So let's get started. How can we do that? For that, first you need to create a new project for your Android Studio. Let's say new project, and you need to save this project in a clone directory, okay, not anywhere else. Just save this project into our clone directory. So here we will this, and here this is our clone directory. Select this, and here you need to enter your application name, linear layout, okay, and okay, and now finish this. And it's loading. Now you can see here we have a main branch, so there is no another branch, and you can check this is also a main branch, means we are on our GitHub repository. Okay, when this done, then you can push the code from this terminal as well as here on your CMD. From both places you can push your code on your main repository. So let's do from this. First you need to switch to your Android layouts directory, and here you will check we have a code here with us or not. Yes, we have a code with us. So for that you need to add this code into our GitHub, or you need to use this command. That means this is not a part of your Git code, and you don't do this push this code on server. For that you need to add this code into your GitHub. Okay, after that let's check the status again. Now the color of this file has been changed to green. Now we need to commit git commit m, okay, and here layout linear layout project created. This is a commit command. When this done, okay, then it's you can check now status. Okay, and now you need to push this code on GitHub. So for that you need to use this command main, and if everything is fine, this code is pushed or not. Let's check this. No, it's not pushed. So let's see, we need to check why it's not pushed. Okay, we need to configure our username and email. You use git config username cp technologies and git config user email cp technologies at gmail.com. Now commit our code again. Now everything is committed. Now if you check this status, you will see one committed in place. So let's post this commit on our GitHub account. Now it's pushed. Now refresh this and you will see this is our code. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video we will learn how to create a new how to create a new branch in this GitHub and do some coding there and take a checkout from that branch. Thank you very much.